Hello model engineers. Right, we've had a bit of a break in the weather up here in Yorkshire, so I thought I'll give this little engineer a try on the hot stuff for 5 minutes. Got it rigged up temporarily to a 5-inch boiler, which at the moment is gas fired, although I do quite often coal fire it, but for simplicity it's on gas at the moment. Anyway, the engine has been running for about 5 minutes before I put the camera on, so it is quite hot. And it should run pretty much straight away, but I'll open the drain taps, the drain cocks, and we'll give it a little go. It's got quite a bit of water in it. So, as you can see, the engine is very quiet actually. It doesn't make a lot of noise at all. A little bit of chuff up the chimney. Now slightly go. With the engine exhaust not going up the boiler chimney like it is now, it does run rather quietly without the gurgling sound. I think what's happening is a bit of the exhaust is condensing into water and gurgling up the chimney a bit. I think what I'm going to have to do is make an oil trap or water trap between the engine and the exhaust, but that should be a simple job. But it runs quite pleasingly really. It's quite a nice healthy sound to it. It's not brilliant by any means, but quite pleased with it.